Assalamu alaikum, my little creatives, and welcome to our art adventure. Today we're going to be making this Qibla finder, and as we craft we're going to be learning about the Qibla. Are you excited? You're going to need paper, a pair of scissors, and some crayons. Your feedback is so important to improving our channel, so please write me a comment. The link is in the description below. Shall we get started?
Before we begin any task, we start by saying Bismillah. So say it with me. Bismillah. Great job! I'm going to draw an arrow with the Kaaba on it and cut it out. Have you ever seen someone praying and noticed they always face in a certain direction? Maybe you've seen your mum, dad, or someone at the mosque carefully turning their body before they start their prayer. They might even use a compass or an app on their phone, or look for a little arrow on the carpet that shows which way to face. That special direction is called the Qibla. It's a very important word in Islam, and it helps us all around the world to stay connected, no matter where we are. The Qibla is the direction that we face when we pray. So when we pray, we all face towards the same place on earth, which is the Kaaba. If you'd like to learn more about the Kaaba, I have some fun craft videos you can watch after this one. That means if you live in Egypt, you face one way. If you live in the United States, you face another way. And if you live in Indonesia, your direction will be different again. But no matter where we live, all Muslims face towards the Kaaba. That's what makes the Qibla so special. It connects every Muslim's heart in prayer. Let's learn a little about the Kaaba. The Kaaba lives in Saudi Arabia, in Mecca. It's a large cube-shaped building in the middle of a beautiful mosque called Masjid al-Haram. It's covered with a black cloth called the Kiswa, which has gold writing on it and verses from the Quran. The Kaaba is one of the most sacred places in Islam, where we go to do Umrah or Hajj. Long ago, the Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son Ismail built the Kaaba together. They built it as a place to worship Allah alone. So when we pray, we're talking to Allah, and facing the same direction helps us remember that we're all part of one big family, the Ummah, or Muslim community. No matter if you're rich or poor, young or old, from Africa or Asia, we all face the same direction. That's how we show unity and equality in Islam. Facing the Qibla helps us focus too. Imagine if everyone prayed in random directions. One person facing north, another facing south. It would be confusing. But because of the Qibla, we all turn our hearts and bodies in the same direction towards the Kaaba, Allah's house, which reminds us again of Allah's greatness. Since people live all over the world, the direction of the Kaaba looks different depending on where you are. So some people use a Qibla compass, which is a compass especially made to find the Qibla, or maybe a Qibla app online or a website. People sometimes put arrows in mosques and hotels, just like the one we're making now. So let's recap. The Qibla is the direction Muslims face when praying. And the Qibla points towards the Kaaba in Mecca. Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail built the Kaaba a long time ago. So think about that next time you pray.
Wow, look at the beautiful Qibla finder that you made. I'm so proud of the amazing work you did today. Look, now we can stick it in our room to remember what direction we need to pray in. Let's end with a short dua. Raise your hands and repeat after me. Oh Allah, help me to pray all my salah on time and with sincerity. Ameen. And don't forget to leave a comment in the feedback form below so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.